Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to get the Appchair SDK integrated in just a couple of minutes. So we'll go to appchair.com, click on SDK, and then download the SDK. So we'll extract the SDK, and this is the app that we want to add the SDK to. So let's take a look at the app. So while that's loading, you'll see that in the SDK we have the library for Appchair as well as the frameworks for a few of the other ad platforms. So here's a nail app that we would like to add, let's say an interstitial ad on startup. So this is the app, teaches people how to paint their nails. So let's stop this. So all we need to do is we drag the SDK over here. Make sure that copy items if needed is checked and the target is checked. Okay, it's been added. So under build settings, under linker flags, make sure to add dash Objective C. It allows you to use the this allows you to link the static library. And here's a bunch of frameworks that the SDKs, the ad network SDKs require. So I'm going to add these in. Okay, I'll drag it a little bit over here so I can see them. Security. Okay, and these last three are optional. Okay, so now we go to the app delegate, which here it is. And then we simply include the ad mediator. And under finish launching with options, generally a good spot to put it. So you just initialize the app mediator. And you have to initialize with your user ID, which is available on Appchair. So it says right here that my user ID is 16. So I will be going with user ID 16, and I will show some ads. So usually I like to put this under we'll enter foreground as well, just so that if the user exits the app by just minimizing it, when they start up and you change your mediation file, you'll still be able to they'll still be able to use your latest configuration. So yep, now you're actually pretty much ready. So I'm gonna run this and hopefully everything will work. Meanwhile, on Appchair, under app mediation, your app should be here where you can actually configure which networks to use. So if your app isn't listed here, just use the quick add an app button over here and it will show up under the app mediation. You click on configure, and these ad networks are available. You just specify the priorities for the interstitials. So here we can see that the app loving, we have app loving as the first interstitial ad. It's now showing on startup like we planned. Minimize it and then start it up again. Here's app loving. So you don't want this anymore, you turn it off. You try to start it up again. Now no app loving. So it's an easy way to control which ad networks work. And just go to the ad networks, fill in your app IDs, and that's pretty much it. Thanks, and thanks for watching the video.